Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into 5 Windows commands that will make you a computer within no time. Let's jump right in. First up, appwiz.cpl. It's your ticket to the Programs and Features window. Press Windows key plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and bam! You can uninstall or change programs faster than you can say abracadabra, uninstall that. Next, Control. It's like the boss of Windows commands. Press Windows key plus R, type Control, and you're in the Control panel, the superhero headquarters of settings customization. You are the boss right now. Meet devmgmt.msc, the wise device manager. Press Windows key plus R, type devmgmt.msc, and you'll discover all the hardware secrets. Troubleshoot, update drivers, and give devices a high five or a timeout. You're in control. Time for diskmgmt.msc, the magical disk management utility. Press Windows key plus R, type diskmgmt.msc, and you'll unlock the power to create partitions, format drives, and be the ruler of your storage kingdom. Last but not least, timedate.cpl. It's a guardian of date and time settings. Press Windows key plus R, type timedate.cpl, and you can bend time to your will. And there you have it, folks. 5 Windows commands that will make you a tech ninja. Now go forth, unleash your inner computer magician, and have a blast exploring the wonders of Windows. Stay tuned for more tech adventures. See you next time.